All right, hey, here we go. So now we have, we're going to be talking about, now this is a non-alcoholic bar, because we're going to be talking about open or closed bars. And I had looked at the internet pretty hard to find a non-alcoholic bar, all right, because we are at school. But the reason for this is now we have a bar underneath our less than sign. So it's going to have a little bit different type of an answer. But the first thing I'm looking at, this one's also a little different because we have variables on both sides. What I would do is this. I would like to keep my variables positive. Tends to make the math a little easier. So since 10 is larger than 9, I'm going to subtract 9t from each side. And I can do it the other way, but the math be easier this way. Those 9t's are going to cancel out, and 10t minus 9t gives me 1t. And now then, see, now I have the t here. I'm going to add the 3 to move it to that side so I can keep the t by itself. Always want to get the letter by itself. That's what solving equations is. So I'm going to add 3, and 5 plus 3 is 8. 1 cancels out. So now I have 8 is less than or equal to t. Well, what's different this time is this. Now there's my number line. I'm going to put the 8 there. But instead of having an open circle, I now have a closed circle, meaning 8 is now part of the solution. That is now part of the solution. But this time t is what? Is it smaller or bigger? Remember, Pac-Man always eats the larger one, so it's going to be larger. Larger will be this direction, so I'm going to shade that way. The biggest thing here is if there's a bar, you must color it in. If there's no bar, you do not have a colored in dot on that feature.